Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from the Glossybox. So this is the May box. So if you want to see what I got in here, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, today we're unboxing Glossybox May 2021, and let's open it. If you're new to Glossybox, this is a beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95 or £3.25, and every month you will receive 5 beauty products, 5 to 6 beauty products, from skincare to makeup. But if you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have a code, which is JAYCA, Jayca. Get this box for only £10, including the shipping fee. So if you want to use that one, I will pop in here and I will pop in the description box below. So let's open this box. So it always came with this black box outside, and inside this month, it's not their usual pink box, but this month theme is the Let the Sun Shine, and the design of this month box, it's gorgeous. It's this sun, yellow, blue, the sky. It's really gorgeous. Definitely this box I will keep. I will put something inside to storage because it's so gorgeous, the box. And then inside we have the leaflet, the yellow ribbon as always, and then the leaflet, and it says Let the Sun Shine. So here we go. And then at the back it also says what's the June sneak peek. So if you don't want to see this part, just skip. And yes, for next month's sneak peek, it's the with summer days very much on their way, our dreaming of paradise Glossybox could not come any sooner. To give your skin a head start on summer, you're going to love the Beauty Bites inside, including this energizing and illuminating vitamin C scrub fix from Nip and Fab. I love their products. Some of their products, it's my holy grail product. So yeah, so this is the next month sneak peek. And then inside we have all the products with all the description and the price, and it says in here, hey glossies, summer is most definitely on its way. In no time at all, the sun will be shining, and everything, including us, will have a gorgeous golden glow. Our Let the Sun Shine Glossybox is bursting with makeup products as shimmering as the sun, as well as summery scent that will transport you to tropical lands far away. You're sure to feel truly radiant this month. Love, Emily, beauty editor. And then we have the blue, the baby blue tissue paper. Oh, and let's see each product here. So the first one we have is this from Mind Tan Body Skin, and this is the replenishing rapid recovery after sun gel enriched with soothing aloe vera plus niacinamide moisturizing after sun gel. Wow, this one is a must for me on summer. And yes, and this is a 50 ml. I know this is a deluxe sample size. Yes, this is a deluxe sample size, but as you can see, it's really a generous size. And this one, it's retail for £13.35. The full size, which is 177 ml, it's retail for £28.60. And it says save your skin from sunburn this summer with this rapid recoveries after sun gel for faster, more effective relief that revitalizes skin. This gel is enriched with powerful key ingredients, a natural anti-inflammatory aloe vera soothe whilst providing a protective layer to the skin. Niacinamide helps retain hydration and reduces the appearance of sun damage and fine lines. Ooh. So this is the first product. And it says a rapid recovery after sun gel for dry or sunburned skin, enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide to replenish and restore moisture. Can't wait to try this. And then the next one we have is this from Queshi Natural Lemon Shower Gel. Revitalizing shower gel with lemon extract that cleans and protects the skin, leaving a refreshing scent. And this one has 200 ml, and this is a full-size product. Can't wait to smell this one here. Oh, it smells lemony scent and citrus lemon scent. It smells nice. Definitely this one is perfect for the morning shower. And this one is retail for £5.70, and it says this natural shower gel cleanses and protects the skin throughout the whole day with revitalizing lemon and chamomile extract. It carefully cleans the skin while respecting your skin natural pH and leaving behind a refreshing scent. Yes, smells really nice. Yes, I love the smell. And then the third product we have here, this one I tried before, and yes, this is a really nice product, and this is from Rogel, Dragon's Blood Eye Mask Hydrate and Tone. And after I use this one, lovelies, my under eye feels really soft and hydrated. It's really a nice product, but I know this one it's quite expensive. But yeah, I tried this one before. I got it in one of my advent calendar before, and I highly recommend to try this one. And this is a full size, one mask, one pair of masks, and it's retail for £6. And it says brighten your eyes with this innovative gel eye mask, great for providing intense hydration to your delicate eye area, thanks to hyaluronic acid, as well as providing an immediate depuffing and cooling effect as a result of dragon's blood. From the Croton Leclerc tree, your eyes will look instantly brighter and more alert. I really need to use this one at the moment, so yes. Glad I've got one in here. And then the next one we have is this from Lotte London. It says here, and this is the Power Foil Metallic Eyeshadow, and I have in the shade Golden Hour. Ooh, I don't know if you can see it, lovelies. I really hope I won't do any mess. It's so gorgeous. It looks like glitter, lovelies, but once you swatch it, once you blend it, it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like this, and it's so gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it. You see, it looks like glitter on the pot. I can't show you properly, sorry, lovelies, but yeah, it looks like this, like a glitter, like a chunk of glitter. But once you blend it, looks like an eyeshadow. It's perfect to top up your eyeshadow. Lovely color too, really summery golden shade. Love it, love the shade. It has the glitter, like a gold glitter inside too. Love it. And this one, it's retail for, and this is a full size, and it's retail for £6.95, and it says pack on the power with Power Foil. This versatile high-coverage metallic gold eyeshadow is designed to give you an intense foil finish in just one swipe. Looks stunning both blended out and natural and layered up to create a more glam, more glowy eye makeup look. Yes, it's gorgeous, the color, I love it. And I didn't expect will be pigmented. And as you can see, it's really a chunk glitter, and when you blend it, it looks like an eyeshadow. Can't wait to try this one on my eyes. And the last product we have is from Seattle, London. It's a definer liner, smudge proof and inbuilt sharpener in the shade, oh, it's in the shade gold. So this is the gold definer liner. Let's see inside. So it looks like this inside, like this, the shade. Ooh, lovely shade. Let me swatch it. It's very pigmented and it's very soft. This is perfect in your waterline too. Just pop this one as eyeshadow and this one in your waterline. This is perfect. a really gorgeous shade. I can show you on the very pigmented, soft too, so this is perfect in your waterline or in your eye area on the top. This is really gorgeous, lovely shade, perfect for summer. Definitely I will use this one. I don't have a gold eyeliner, so this is perfect. So yes, this is a full size too, and it's retail for 18 pounds. And it says, line and define your eyes with Seattle London's ultra fine precision liner. Sorry lovelies, I just ran downstairs because my son came. In a gorgeously golden shade featuring a built-in sharpener on its base, this liner will always have the perfect point, ensuring it's always sharp and ready to use. Let me see if there's a... Yes, there's a sharpener on the bottom one. So yes, so this is the last product, and let's do a recap, lovelies. We have a gold eyeliner from Seattle London. This is the Define liner, and then we have the powerful metallic eyeshadow from Lottie London. Both are very pigmented, easily to blend, and yes, can't wait to try them. And then the next one, we have the from Queshi Natural Lemon Shower Gel. Smells divine, smells gorgeous, lemony citrus smell. Love the smell, so yes, can't wait to try too. And it has 200 ml. And then we have one pair from Roja Dragon's Blood Eye Mask. As I said, I tried this one before and I really do like it. It leaves my under eye area very soft and hydrated, so I highly recommend to try this one. And then the last one, we have the Mind Tan moisturizing after sun gel. This one, lovelies, it's not only perfect for sunburn, but also it's soothing the mosquito bites. So yeah, I always use aloe vera gel to soothing the mosquito bites. So yes, I will try this one, and it smells gorgeous too, this one. So yes, that's all, lovelies, for this month. And what I think, in my opinion, lovelies, I think for me this is worth it because I will definitely use every single product. For me, how I define a subscription box, if it's worth or not, if I will use every single product. And in this box, definitely I will use every single product, so this is worth for me. So if you like the products that's inside in this matte glossy box, I highly recommend this one using my code JAYCA, JAYCA, to get this box for only 10 pounds, which is not bad, isn't it? Also, lovelies, I forgot to mention that this box also, it's gorgeous. It's really, I think it's one of their best design box in my opinion. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.